Welcome to Vyshlo. To get started on turning your fashion pieces into income, click on the login button at the top right of the homepage. If you're a new user, simply enter your mobile number on the sign-up page and hit continue. Next, a pop-up window will display our terms and conditions. Please scroll through the document. Check the box to confirm you agree to the rules of the platform and click Accept Terms. An OTP will be sent directly to your registered number. Type in the verification code and click Verify OTP to securely log into your account. Type in your email address and your full name. Don't forget to toggle on our try-on feature to give your shoppers an interactive experience by clicking Upload Photo to add a profile picture, making your storefront look official and trusted. Once you're done, hit Update Profile. With your profile active, it's time to unlock your selling power. Click on your profile menu in the upper right corner, look under the Lister section, and select KYC verification to jump straight to your KYC registration setup. To safeguard our community, all listers complete a standard KYC check. In Step 1, fill out your personal details, including your full legal name, email, date of birth, gender, and complete physical address. Once everything matches up, click Save and Continue. Step 2 requires your PAN details. Enter your PAN card number, re-enter it to confirm, and type your name exactly as it's written on the card. Upload a clear photo of your PAN card, verify the preview, and hit Save and Continue. Step 3 fields require your Aadhaar details. Type your 12-digit Aadhaar number, retype to confirm, and fill in your name. Upload clear images of your Aadhaar card front and back, then proceed by clicking Update and Continue. Finally, Step 4 is your bank details. This ensures your rental earnings get deposited directly to you. Input your name and your bank's IFSC code, then click Verify to automatically fetch your bank and branch name. Fill out your account number, double-check it for accuracy, and press Save and Complete. And that's it. Your verification documents are safely submitted and are currently under review by our admin team. This process normally takes between 24 to 48 hours. Keep an eye out for our notification and get ready to start listing your wardrobe on Vyshlo.